Did life really explode overnight? The Cambrian Explosion is famous, but what if everything you've heard is only half the story? Today we'll reveal 5 shocking truths about early life on Earth. Life was changing faster than anyone expected, but it wasn't exactly overnight as most people think. Some of these creatures look like aliens, and they almost are. Let's start with the first surprising fact. Fact 1: the explosion wasn't instantaneous. It unfolded over 20 to 25 million years fast, geologically slow for us. And you'll see some of the strangest animals ever to walk or swim on Earth. Trilobites are one of the first well-known groups. They had hard shells and segmented bodies, making them early evolutionary stars. These fossils give us clues about early animal evolution. But even during this explosion, evolution was gradual. Can you guess which animal ruled the Cambrian seas? Meet Anomalocaris, the top predator of its time. It had a huge, spiny mouth and could crush prey like a machine. This predator-prey dynamic shaped early ecosystems. Even famous groups started small and primitive. Some were simple, some bizarre. Evolution was experimenting. Seeing them together shows the complexity already emerging. And here's the surprising fact. The Cambrian explosion still took millions of years. From first tiny multicellular animals to diverse fauna in the Cambrian explosion. And the real shockers are still ahead. This early diversity is unlike anything before it. Next, you'll see that life existed long before the Cambrian. Fact 2 will challenge what you thought about the start of life. Most people assume it started here, but they'd be wrong. Life actually existed billions of years earlier, and the Cambrian explosion was just one chapter in a long story. Act 1 shows that evolution is fast in geological terms, but slow in human eyes. Even the top predators, like Anomalocaris, had evolved over millions of years. You see, evolution experiments slowly, sometimes in bizarre ways. Fact 2 will show life existed way before these explosions. These tiny organisms laid the groundwork for all animal life. Oxygen levels rising in the oceans played a huge role. Without them, complex life wouldn't have flourished. And yes, there's more you've probably never heard. Fact 3 will blow your mind with predator-prey drama. Let's see how ecosystems became complex in just a few million years. Predators prey, scavengers, but a full ecological network emerged. Top predators hunted efficiently, driving rapid evolution. Keep watching and you'll see. Some adaptations seem alien to us today. But these features were life-saving back then. And fact 4 will reveal multiple forces behind the explosion: ecology, oxygen, and genetics. Behind everything combined to spark diversity. Life was experimenting on a scale rarely seen before or since. It will show how the Cambrian explosion wasn't the only big evolutionary jump. By the end of this video, you'll see just how complex and fascinating early life really was. Fact might surprise you. Life existed billions of years before the Cambrian explosion. Simple, single-celled organisms thrived for billions of years. They slowly laid the groundwork for complex animal life. Fossils like these show how early life shaped Earth's oceans. These mats trap sediments and oxygenated waters over millions of years. Without them, the Cambrian explosion could never have happened. This long prehistory is often overlooked. Hint: billions of years, not millions. Small multicellular animals started experimenting with body shapes and functions. This was the silent buildup before life burst into diversity. And you won't believe some of the predator-prey dynamics that followed. Let's move on to Fact 3, the strangest adaptations of early animals. Predation pressures led to rapid experimentation in body forms. Top predators like anomalocaris drove evolution by constant pressure. Even tiny worms evolved strange defense mechanisms. Some of these animals had armor, spikes, or bizarre shapes. Fact 2 shows life existed long before the explosion, but Cambrian life was the first in complexity. Fact 3 will introduce some real oddities. Fact 3: not all animal groups appeared fully formed. Fact 3 reveals that early animals weren't complete versions of modern species. Trilobites were early arthropods, but far simpler than today's insects or crabs. Predators drove innovations like claws, armor, and speed. Even the simplest creatures had unique adaptations for survival. Hallucigenia, a tiny spiky worm, looked bizarre and alien. Its spines protected it from predators. Evolution continued, refining these early forms into complex animals. The arms race between predator and prey drove rapid diversity. Some animals started experimenting with shells and protective structures. You'll see how multiple factors combined to trigger this explosion. Ecosystems became more complex with niches everywhere. Even small changes in the environment had huge impacts. Rising oxygen allowed more active and larger animals to evolve. Predation and competition accelerated evolutionary changes. No single cause explains everything. It was a perfect storm of factors. Fact 5 will change how you see evolutionary history. Every niche had life experimenting, innovating, and surviving. This dynamic ecosystem is the reason so many animal groups survived. This dynamic ecosystem is the reason so many animal groups survived. Each fossil tells a story of evolution's trial and error. And it's more than just oxygen. Temperature, oxygen, genetics, and predation all work together. This combination triggered rapid diversification. Predators pushed prey to evolve defenses fast. Even small animals participated in this evolutionary arms race. And why Cambrian wasn't the only explosion of life. Evolution continued with bursts in later periods. Later radiations show life's repeated capacity for innovation. The Cambrian explosion was huge, but part of a bigger picture. Now let's see Fact 5 in action. Fact 4 shows that the Cambrian explosion had no single cause. Higher oxygen levels allowed animals to grow larger and move faster. Predation created evolutionary pressure like nothing before. Environmental stability provided safe habitats for experimentation. No single factor did it alone, it was a perfect storm. Genetic innovations allowed new body plans to evolve quickly. Armor, spikes, and mobility all evolved under these pressures. Every niche became a playground for evolution. Predators pushed prey to innovate faster than ever before. Together, oxygen, predation, and genetics caused a rapid diversification of life. Life didn't just explode once. These bursts happened repeatedly. Life didn't just explode once. These bursts happened repeatedly. Other periods also saw major evolutionary radiations. But Cambrian laid the foundation for nearly all modern animal groups. Fact 5 will connect the dots. Fact 5. Later evolutionary bursts show the bigger picture. Dinosaurs, marine reptiles, and new fish radiations happened millions of years later. The Cambrian explosion was just the beginning. Life keeps experimenting, diversifying, and surprising us. Let's summarize these 5 surprising facts. Fact 1. It wasn't instantaneous. Fact 2. Life existed long before. Fact 3. Animals weren't fully formed. Fact 4. Multiple factors combined to spark diversity. Fact 5. Evolutionary bursts continued beyond the Cambrian. If you're fascinated, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing history of life. Each fossil tells a story of adaptation, survival, and innovation. The Cambrian explosion shows evolution at work like never before. It's a lesson in how ecosystems, genetics, and predation drive life forward. We'll explore more incredible events in Earth's history in upcoming videos. From tiny microbes to complex animals, life's journey is astonishing. Let's wrap up these 5 surprising facts one last time. Hi again. Remember the 5 surprising facts we covered today. Fact 1. Not instant. Fact 2. Life existed long before. Fact 3. Animals evolved gradually. Fact 4. Multiple factors triggered this explosion. Fact 5. Evolutionary bursts didn't stop there. These facts show just how amazing early life on Earth truly was. From tiny worms to massive predators, evolution was experimenting everywhere. Subscribe now to dive deeper into the history of life. The Cambrian explosion set the stage for everything that came next. It's a vivid reminder of nature's creativity and resilience. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to explore more amazing science stories. These bizarre creatures remind us how strange and fascinating life can be. Every fossil, every adaptation, tells a story of survival and innovation. Understanding this helps us appreciate the diversity we see today. Quick recap: Fact 1. Not overnight. Fact 2. Life existed earlier. Animals fact primitive. 3. Fact multiple 4. Factors. Fact 5. Evolution continues. The Cambrian Explosion was just one chapter in Earth's amazing story. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and stay curious. Science uncovers the past in ways we could never imagine. Thanks for watching. Your curiosity makes these stories come alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible videos. From microbes to complex creatures, life keeps surprising us.